Sports here with Atafa Bygrave, national call-up. How it feels to score again in one more game, Atafa?
I feel great. We just go out there, keep focused and get the job done.
Yeah, you know, Peter Maguire and Peter McGregor make a good team up top for Dunbeholden. Tell us about that partnership.
Yeah, he's a great player now. In training, we communicate more, we talk a lot, and we just move forward, pass the ball together so that we get in the game.
So the relationship is synchronized up there in the forward
it's
position.
it's love.
So how you feel about getting the call-up, national call-up?
It's a pleasure to represent my country. I just feel great about the call-up. Just continue working hard to move forward.
Tell the fans that we can look for in the match coming up, if you get to go on the field.
I'm hopeful if we get a game. Yeah, that is my aim. Is going out and get the job done. Do what I do best, score.
Thank you very much, Atafa, and congratulations on the national call-up. We hope you do best in that match coming up. I will be there.
Thank you.
Respect.